When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, folks. Today we've got Judge Oakley facing off with a cocky stoner kid who's acting like he's the main character in a courtroom drama. This dude is completely out of touch, walking around like the law doesn't even apply to him. But Judge Oakley? He's not having it. He's about to deliver the reality check of a lifetime. Let's jump into this courtroom clash and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this kid's finally going to get it together? Or is he just going to walk out, light up another blunt, and keep pretending life's a movie?
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
17.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7. And then,
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? We've already got a ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the bait shop in Logo.
Okay.
And I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation's going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but.
When did you start smoking dope?
I think it's safe to say this dude's been smoking since birth. Like the doctor probably cut the umbilical cord and he hit a blunt right after. You don't need to be a detective to figure it out. His eyes are half shut. He's moving in slow motion, like 2 frames per second, and he's got that classic "where am I" face on. This man is obviously a stoner, and it looks like the only thing he truly cares about is the Zaza. And listen, being chill is one thing, but walking into court looking like you just took a gravity bong rip? That's wild. Honestly, I wouldn't even be surprised if he's high right now. Let me know what you think. Am I tripping, or is this dude absolutely baked in the middle of a courtroom?
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Sweet.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car, I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road, I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force, they're all in one building, and I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got me fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got me fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he thought he had a reason.
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
This guy said he makes $14,000 a year and was going to college if he didn't get fired. But I don't buy it. It's like saying, I was going to be a doctor, but McDonald's fired me. Honestly, I feel bad for him. It's clear he probably doesn't have a good male role model to guide him. Judges usually don't show sympathy, but Judge Oakley seems to actually care by how he talks to the kid. I hope Judge Oakley helps him, but I'm not sure he will. The kid seems stubborn, and I doubt he'll go to college, and even if he tries, he'll probably drop out. He just doesn't seem to respect authority. Teachers, cops, judges. He doesn't care about any of it.
well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Honestly, I don't think this kid is going to change. He'll probably go home, light up, and act like nothing happened. That's the sad part. So many young guys are lost with no direction or discipline, just drifting and making bad choices. Without a strong male role model, this is what happens. No one teaches them responsibility, how to think smart, or to carry themselves with respect. Instead, they treat court like a joke, thinking the judge will just let them off. But that's not how the law works. The judge is right. He'll see this kid again because it's clear he doesn't care. That's just my opinion, though. What do you guys think? Should we feel bad for him, or is he just setting himself up for failure? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this, hit like and subscribe for more. I post daily. Thanks for watching and take care.